Today, we're diving into the world of modern innovation and electric performance with the 2026 RVEX Electric Camper Van. A masterpiece of futuristic design and clean energy engineering, this camper sets new standards for both comfort and efficiency. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the rapidly growing world of electric RVs. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends minimalist aesthetics with functional luxury. The materials used throughout are sustainable yet premium, from soft eco-leather seating to lightweight composite finishes. The living room area includes a large smart TV, an immersive surround sound system, and a panoramic windshield that lets in incredible natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with energy-efficient electric appliances, including an induction cooktop, a compact smart refrigerator, and even a filtered water dispenser for added convenience. The bedroom, with a full-size memory foam bed, offers exceptional comfort, and the ensuite bathroom features modern electric heated fixtures, ensuring a home-like experience wherever the road takes you. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 RVEX Electric Camper Van is a true work of modern automotive art. With its smooth, aerodynamic shape, it glides through the air with minimal drag, improving both range and handling. The exterior is finished with a premium matte protective coating, which not only looks stylish but also enhances durability. The large electric-powered awning provides the perfect outdoor relaxation space, while the aerodynamic wheels and signature RVEX lighting design add a futuristic touch. Built on a reinforced lightweight electric chassis, the van offers excellent stability without adding unnecessary weight. Every exterior detail has been engineered with precision, ensuring that this camper van captures attention everywhere it goes. When it comes to performance, the 2026 RVEX Electric Camper Van is powered by a state-of-the-art dual-motor electric system designed for silent yet powerful travel. Whether you're cruising long stretches of highway or exploring uneven rural roads, this camper delivers a smooth and confident driving experience. Its 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack offers an impressive travel range, while its adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts to road conditions for maximum comfort. The vehicle features a seamless single-speed transmission, typical of EVs, providing instant torque and effortless acceleration. Additionally, the RVEX includes advanced driver assist features, 360-degree cameras, and smart navigation optimized for charging routes. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 RVEX Electric Camper Van is undoubtedly a premium electric RV, and its price reflects that. With a starting price of around $180,000, it's not aimed at entry-level buyers, but for those seeking the future of eco-friendly luxury travel, it offers remarkable value. The price includes all the integrated smart features, the electric performance system, and the meticulous craftsmanship that comes with the RVEX brand. When you invest in this camper van, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're embracing a sustainable lifestyle on wheels. To sum up, the 2026 RVEX Electric Camper Van is an extraordinary blend of electric efficiency, modern luxury, and advanced technology. Whether you're planning long-distance adventures or want a high-tech, eco-friendly travel experience, the RVEX delivers on every level. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.